So what's this one?
This is for seasonal adjustment disorder. This is your SAD syndrome.
Oh, look at that. Never heard of that before. I think I'll just jump on a plane to Turkey rather than sitting in there. Oh, is it a twisty top?
Oh, it's twisty top.
Twisty top, not a pop. And this is where we'll be spending our first anniversary. Right, so Rochelle's just got back from a massage, which she absolutely loved, by the way. She said the woman was amazing, she knew her stuff, she was talking about skincare, and she'll even drive here just for a massage without even staying at these beautiful log cabins.
So I've came for a back massage today. I'm just going to have a bit of relaxation while Craig's laid in bed.
Changing room and everything. So what you do when you're a spa client in the retreats is you just grab yourself a towel and dressing gown.
Right.
And what we usually say to people on the night is if you're using them, feel free to take the flip-flops down and use them down there. Full on gym with the Peloton.
Oh wow. Oh, it's set out perfect, isn't it? Oh, this is the pool.
And then seasonal adjustment disorder, white light.
Oh, right. Oh, that's lovely.
Pool.
Ah, so we could have came here earlier. Craig, yeah, because you were saying, oh, it's a bit wet to go in the hot tub yet, isn't it? I was like,
Yeah.
So you got the pool there.
And then in here, like I said, just chill out and relax.
Oh, that's lovely.
Dartboard, full-size slate bed, snooker table, Victorian.
Oh, that's so lovely. Nice and peaceful. This is the changing rooms. Now it's time to go to the spa.
Look at them views, absolutely incredible. Someone asked on a live just now, I know this is on YouTube, Craig, you're all right? No, I'm bunged up. I've got a sinus infection, but that's not going to stop me enjoying our first wedding anniversary. So let's get this off, jump in the hot tub and enjoy a fireball. Nice and warm in the hot tub with beautiful scenery. Look at this for good old British weather. All right, Rochelle. God, you can hear them like, can't you? Neither birds, this is nature. So when we came here at High Hill Farm, they must have seen on Facebook it was our wedding anniversary, and I can't believe they went out the way to get some chocolates, some cider and bees in the fridge, 2 little bottles of bubbly, some balloons saying happy anniversary and a happy anniversary card as well. So massive thank you to them. They've also give us a 10% off discount code, which I'm going to put in the description, and the link for High Hill here in Ferry Hill. But for now, we're just going to sit back, enjoy the views, enjoy the hot tub, and enjoy the drink. Oh, is it a twisty top?
Oh, it's twisty top.
Twisty top, not a pop. I think it goes more powerful than that, you know. Let's have a look. I know what wimp means. Bubbles, I'm guessing. Oh, we will have it.
Put your feet there.
Nice.
Yeah, like a massage.
This is alive. As the sun goes down and we're sat drinking in the hot tub, the good thing about it is the hot tub is very warm. Isn't it, Rochelle? It's a very warm hot tub, but once you jump out of it to go and refill your drinks, freezing cold. But look at that view, unbelievable. What are you drinking? Where's your drink at?
AU vodka.
Rochelle's on the AU vodka, I'm on the fireball, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of our night. That's better, isn't it? The rain's gone. There's a hot tub we were in last night. We're going to clean this little bit of mess up we left, and I'll put the lid on properly as well. Oh, it's sort of a path, that'll do me. A little fire pit, so you can just relax outside, light the fire, keep warm, maybe have a little barbecue. So ours in there is a bit of a mess now, but this one is ready for the next people. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. 2 bedrooms, just like ours. But with this one, It's two double beds, just as beautiful as ours. And that's cabin number 2. You get 10% off with the discount code Dad Loves Food on their website. Feel free to talk.
Kitchen area. Look at that view, so beautiful. There's a double bedroom in here. And then the bathroom's just right here. This door also opens up to the living room. And then you've got the door to the bedroom. There's the cows. God, that view is just stunning though, isn't it? Even sitting in that hot tub yesterday when it was pouring down rain, it was so relaxing. Got us these balloons. How nice is that? And there's an extra room in here. So if you've got kids, sleep in the bunk bed.
So what's that? Just relax guests and mini spa guests entrance. Let's take a look at the spa. Lads, treat your women and let them have a spa day.
Did you sleep alright?
Hey, you're alright? Oh, that was so nice last night. This is, I've heard all about you, Jill. I've heard everything.
Have you also heard I am the auntie in corn?
I've heard. That's right. Thank you very much for the stay. I appreciate it.
This is my famous treatment room.
Oh, look at that. This is where Rochelle was relaxing yesterday. Look at this. So you've also got a gym area, which I won't be using. So what's this one?
This is for seasonal adjustment disorder. This is your SAD syndrome. So these are your white light panels that you would sit in front of to mimic the sun.
So what does it do? Does it relax you or?
It relaxes you, but what it does is it boosts your serotonin. So you know when you get that depression with the seasons and the not being out in the sun, this is what this gives you.
Never heard of that before. I think I'll just jump on a plane to Turkey rather than sitting in there. Oh, look at this. So for the log cabins outside, you've got your hot tub there, but if your missus is getting some treatment, lads, come over, have a little dip, and don't forget your Speedos. Then we've got the lounge area. Now this is relaxing. I don't want to leave. The place is absolutely perfect. Right, so just 10 minutes away from High Hill Farm and Spa, you've got George Bolam's, one of the best butchers in the country. And I can't believe Rochelle's never been here before. No. So I'm going to take a George Bolam's virginity,
Nice.
get some hot food, and then go inside to the shopping area and get a load of meat. She's like, what is there? What is there? Look, lamb chops, braised steak. There we are. Mince and dumplings. Oh, I don't know whether to get shepherd's pie or mince and dumplings. Mince and dumplings for me, please, Ruth. Please. Look at them Yorkshires. Give me Yorkshire. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Thank you. So what I've gone for mince and dumplings, and there is loads of mince to the point it's coming off the plate. Rochelle's gone for traditional Sunday dinner. She's got, did you get pork and beef?
What, a mix?
A mix.
Turkey.
Mixed meat, turkey, pork, beef. Oh my God, I'm stuffed. So for $7.99 at Bolam's, you can have a main meal and you get a dessert as well. And it's all run like proper old school, like a school. So you get your tray, you get your food, and then you go back up with your receipt to get your dessert. Go on, Rochelle. So look at that, so included in the price, you get a proper old school dessert. So we've got chocolate orange cake with custard. And that is George Bolam's, which is just a 10-minute drive from High Hill Farm. Massive thanks for everyone who's watched this. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.
8:30. No.
That last 8.
It's 8:30 and I'm gonna get some food. I'm starving.
High Hill Relax, what is that? Some sort of fly. Oh, can still feel it. Hello, neighbour. Hello. swinger.
Hi, Ali and Louise.